Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Yeah. Today we are going to start Oracle 19. Don't write it anything because first day, no demo class this one. Everyone knows Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. Same like a Java, same like a .NET, same like a Python. This Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. 19 is a version number. Oracle 1.0, 1978 year onward. So many versions released by Oracle Corporation. That is 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 5.1, 6.0, 6.1, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7. These three versions are also called as 8i, 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C, 23C. These are the versions. Don't worry, one of the version onwards important, that is latest version 19. Okay, yeah. C means cloud technology. What is this Oracle means? Observe it here. This everyone knows. Screen observe it. Here screen observe it. Oracle is a database product. Very, 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 very important. So maybe Oracle is a database product. What is the purpose of these database products? So many database products are there. What is database means? I will tell you. One of the popular database product is Oracle. What is the purpose of this database product means? Everyone knows to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Permanently in secondary storage devices. Secondary storage devices means hard disk only. Secondary storage devices. Observe it here. Up to this one, maybe so many fellows having idea. Now onwards, observe it. Slightly difference. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose I am installing a Oracle software in my system. In a future, you are also installing. Don't worry. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically some place is reserved in a where disk. This place is also called as database. Okay, generally. Okay, this place is a what? Database. Database is a place in a computerized system. Now observe it here, observe it here, observe it here. I am also, you are also thinking of what we are thinking. Oh, this is a place is there. This is a database only. In this place, I am also, you are also thinking of what? In this place only, screen observe it. In this place only, we are storing a what? Any collection of data, any random collection of data possible. We are thinking, generally, psychologically, we are thinking, but unfortunately, this is the wrong one. This is the wrong one. We cannot store, okay, random collection of data, impossible. Always Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Postgres, Teradata, so many database softwares, popular database softwares are there. These all softwares are implemented based on one concept is there. Relational data model is a concept. Don't worry, that is later we are discussing. That's why these databases only stores a what? Which one? Structured collection of data. That is important. This is so many fellows doesn't have an idea. In an organized fashion, only data is storing. Structured collection of data. This is nothing but a what? A table. And now here, observe it here. Yes, here. This is a structured collection of data. Here, structured collection of data. Table format only data is storing. Structured collection of data. MongoDB is different. That is unstructured. Structured, no SQL is unstructured. That is different. This is a structured collection of data is storing by the where Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL. Once a structured collection of data is there, why structured collection of data means table format means EF code was implemented. A relational data model is some concept is there. He is a mathematician. He is working in IBM company. That's why he is only representing a data in the format of matrix. Mathematician, matrix means rows and columns. That's why here a table format only nowadays data is there in a these type of Oracle or SQL Server or DB2, MySQL, these type of relational data model product side. Now check it out. Once structured collection of data is there in this database, you are also operating a data. How you are operating a what data means by using a what some languages. What is that language? SQL is a language, structured query language. This language also introduced by F card only. Structured query language is there. Through that one, we are operating a data in these databases. What is that? SQL structured query language only, a specialized language. But this language not like a C, not like a Java, okay, variables, loops, these type of things are not there. This is a procedure, non-procedural language. Non-procedural language means very simple. Insert, update, delete, select, small commands are there, same like a English type language only. And now here, check it out. Observe it here. Screen observe it. Suppose this is a database is there. Okay, for example, Oracle database, some place only. Okay, for example, in this one table format only data is there or not, check it out. You are also storing, okay, some information, some data is storing in a table format or not. Yes, sir. Now, but unfortunately here a structured format means always. Why we are calling a what? This is a structured format means screen observe it. So now these are big tables also. Observe it here. Here, this employee number column only stores numbers. This ename column only stores what? Strings. This hire date column only stores dates. This is the way. And now observe here, once a structured collection of data is there, these are called rows, these are called columns, everyone knows. Once a structured collection of data is there, you are also operating a what data in this database means we are using SQL language. Suppose, for example, this is a table is there. I am working in a company, you are working in a company, for example. Now your manager asking, change this New York location into Hyderabad is a location. Okay, that is a requirement, for example. Whenever they are asking like that, you are a database developer, Oracle developer means you are writing some coding, that is SQL coding only. Suppose I am typing a what something, observe here, screen observe it, update, table name, set, some fellows are also having this idea, this coding idea only, or now location is equal to, suppose here Hyderabad, here where department number is equal to 10. Don't worry, just these type of small codings only. One row updated or not? Yes, here just one line of coding I am writing only. And now here that coding is called SQL language. And now observe it here. Just I am typing a what that table means. In a previous case, New York is there. Now in this case, which one? Hyderabad is available or not? Yes, that's why. Yes, if we want to operate a what a data in a where in this database, then we are using a what? Which language? Which language we are using? Very good. SQL is a language. That is structured query language we are using only. Okay. Yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Everyone knows up to now small thing. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. That is some database product. What is database means? Later you are familiar. It is a place where we can store structured collection of data. Okay. Permanently data. How we are using those data. I am telling only. Don't worry. Now observe it here. If you want to operate a data in Oracle database, then we are learning a what, or then we are using in a company side 3 languages. One is SQL is a language. That is a structured query language. Not only that one, another language is there. What is that one means? Anybody have an idea? PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. That is a PLSQL is a language. Another one is what? Dynamic SQL is a language. Here, dynamic SQL is a language. Observe it here. That's why anywhere in the worldwide, we are learning what Oracle course means. In that course, lecturers are telling what SQL language and PLSQL language. Enough. These two you are good means you are operating a data in a where this Oracle database software. And now SQL is a non-procedure language. PLSQL means procedure language. Dynamic SQL is optional, but better to know. I will tell you that one also, don't worry. Now check it out, check it out. In this SQL language, what we are learning in our class concept side, what we are learning means, observe it here. In SQL language side, one of these days important concepts, so many concepts are there, insert, update, delete, so many things are there. I will tell you one of these days important concepts only. Joins is a concept, most powerful. Java, .NET, Python, okay, AI, these all developers must familiar. Joins means fetching data from multiple tables. Suppose here in a future, we are storing a data in the format of tables only. These multiple tables we are retrieving what data means, then we are using a what? Joins is the main chapter only. That is maybe Java developers, well-known persons, left outer, right outer, full outer, natural. So many joins are there, no? Those joins they are using only. Next, in SQL, another important chapter is constraints. Constraints means primary key, foreign key, check, unique. So many things are there. Don't worry. If you want to maintain a valid data, then we go for in a databases constraints. Okay, fine. Again, not only that one, another important chapter is very important subqueries. Most powerful chapter. Suppose here you are attending a what interview means you are a Java programmer also, you want a minimum database knowledge is okay, there or not checking by the interviewer. That's why interviewer asking a what? Write a query to display entire salary employee, write a query to delete duplicate rows from a table, write a query to display second highest salary employee from this table. They're asking so many queries. Otherwise, what is rank, what is dense rank, what is row underscore number, what is lag, what is lead, what is analytical function, rows and arrays. Okay, so many queries they are asking. Why means here, okay, this subquery knowledge is there, anything also in a database, you are understandable. That's why these are very important chapters in SQL. Now again, after big course actually, don't worry. Now here in a PL SQL, procedural language extension for SQL, after SQL, we are learning what this course also. In this one, in Oracle course, these parts they are telling only. Now check it out here. Here in our class also, we are learning what very important concepts. One of these days in a PL SQL means cursor is a concept is there, most powerful, fundamental that one. Again, anybody Java, .NET, Python, C++, these type of developers are there. Exceptions, they have an idea, no? Try, catch, throw, finally something is there, no runtime error. Here also exceptions, they are handling only, but easy. Once you are good at what? Those two basics chapters, then very important. Stored procedures, very important. Java, .NET, Python, these all persons are must familiar. Stored procedures, stored functions, these are key concept actually in a database. TSQL in SQL Server, PLSQL in a Oracle, MySQL in a MySQL. Also stored procedures are there. This is regularly used in a Java side, .NET side, front-end application side, most powerful PHP side like that. Without any knowledge of stored procedure, we are unable to work in a front-end language also that much powerful. Again, stored functions, again triggers, again packages, these type of things we are learning only. Okay, fine. Yes, here. That's why always in a PLSQL, we are learning what those all the things. But unfortunately, in our class, so many fellows are why they are learning from me means basically I'm a PLSQL developer. Suppose some fellows are having a what 2 years, 3 years gap is there, then they are applying a what a job interested in a where PLSQL jobs only. Only PLSQL you are learning also jobs are there. That purpose, depth knowledge, I will tell you. Okay. Our syllabus, observe it here. Maybe anybody get of knowledge is there in a PLSQL means. Observe it here. Yes, this is the way. In a PLSQL syllabus, 1 minute, observe it here. PLSQL introduction we are learning. Cursor, something is there. Exceptions we are learning. Okay, stored procedure like this. Are they highly advanced stored functions? Here triggers like this, packages up to this one, medium level, intermediate level, that one. Next, highly advanced. Suppose some fellows are interested to apply jobs in a where PLSQL developer. That's why types knowledge is required. Here collections, index per table, nested table, we are a most powerful concept. Here, once collections they are good, they are using a what bulk bind process. Morning 8 o'clock batch only. This bulk bind is going on in a PLSQL. Again, RIF cursors, Java, .NET programmers are passing a what in a stored procedure out parameter, the RIF cursor that returns about multiple records. They are catching and displaying in a Java and Python, these type of application sites. RIF cursors most powerful, passing RIF cursor as a parameter. Here local subprograms. And also here UTL file packages, a large amount of data you are loading, millions of records you are loading in a database. How can I mean external tables and concept is there SQL loader, retro data from flat file into where Oracle database. How can I, these all the things, how we are storing images means BLOB, some knowledge is required. Here then dynamic SQL, then feature, these are all the highly advanced, I will tell you. Okay, yeah, because nowadays competition is very high. Job searching also difficult nowadays in this recession period. More knowledge is there means better. Okay, why? Because more knowledge persons are never lost. Okay, in a layoff also they never lost their jobs only. Experience that is a different. Okay, just a knowledge is there, especially in a database level, because a less number of persons are available in a worldwide. Otherwise, you don't want PLSQL, only SQL knowledge you have an idea. Then subqueries in that SQL knowledge, subquery practicing. Then any tools you are learning, Power BI tool or okay, so not Tab View tool or Informatica, these talent, these tools only, ETL tools or reporting tools you are learning also, you are getting a job. That's a different way. How means what is that one means later I will tell you one of the class side. Just I'm intimating to you, yes, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is a one of the popular database product. What is a database means? It is a place where we can store structured collection of data. If you want to operate a Oracle in your project side or a company side or in your system side, always we are learning about two languages. One is SQL is a language. Another one is PLSQL is a language only. Okay, once you are good at that one, dynamic SQL also better to learn. Okay, don't worry, those all the things you are understandable practically. Okay, yeah. Now observe it here. Today, demo class also. First, today, at least one concept I will tell you, technical concept. So many fellows are in a worldwide, one stage they are confusing only. One stage, basic fundamental stage in a database side, they are confusing. Where that confusing, I know. That's why that concept more clearly today I will tell you. Now check it out. Concentrate. 1 minute concentrate. Suppose I am working in a company. Slowly observe here. Very interesting. I am working in a company. Whenever I am working in a company side, I am working in a where Oracle project. Okay, in my company, Oracle project is there. I am also, my colleagues also operating a what? This Oracle project means we are using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. SQL is a language. I am also, my colleagues also using. I know the SQL, my colleagues also knowing SQL language, structured query language. Through that one, we are operating a what? Yes, this Oracle database software. Don't worry. Data in that Oracle. Okay. Again, a company means software company means so many projects are there. Again, same related projects also there. Suppose one of the popular products, same like a Oracle. Anybody have an idea? SQL Server is a popular product from a Microsoft company. That is also same like a Oracle product only. Microsoft company. Now, actually, some one project is there, SQL Server project in my company only. Some fellows or other fellows are working in a where in that company. Those persons also using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. Okay, yeah, operating a data in a where who are working in SQL Server database. Those persons also operating a data in that okay, data in a SQL Server. They are using a what? SQL is a language. Okay, fine. Now again, last chance. Again, open source MySQL is another popular relational data model product is there. Who are working in a where MySQL, that is the open source, nowadays Oracle only purchasing. Now here this MySQL database software also same like a Oracle, same like a SQL Server. Yes, operating who are working in a where this MySQL database software. Yes, now those persons also operating a data in this MySQL database. They are using a what? SQL language. Okay, up to now, okay. Now I have a doubt only here. These all SQL languages are same or different? Confusing only. Anybody tell me? These all SQL languages are same or different? Only one concept is correct. Same or different? Anybody? In Java developers, in a Python developers, in a okay, technical developers are there? Tell me. These all SQL languages are same or different? Very good. So many fellows are telling Murali sir, these all SQL languages only Same they are telling, but unfortunately that is the wrong word. Different. Different only. What is this one? These all SQL languages are different. Why so many fellows are in our class only they are mistaken? Okay, so now they are telling experienced persons also they are telling what same means maybe academic career side, Java, .NET, these type of courses they are learning means academic career side. In that class also, in those classes also, lab is there, maybe Oracle or MySQL or SQL Server. In that lab, insert, update, delete, select some 3 or 4 commands they are typing only. But those 3 or 4 comments are same thing is there, same syntax is there. That's why maybe they are telling a what same only, but unfortunately not same. These all SQL languages are not same. But how you are understandable? These all SQL languages are not same, but some other thing is same. How you are understandable means simple technique is there. What is the technique means? Just observe it here, observe it here, observe it here. Very, 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 very important. Now check it out. Observe it here. We know the asking only Murali sir, after learning your class, can I put experience 4 years? Yes, sure. Why? Because that much of depth is there here. You have to check it out in a net, our syllabus or anywhere also. Okay, don't worry. PLS very strongly, I will tell you. Okay, yeah. And now here, otherwise video classes also you have to observe it. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate and now observe it here. Here, how we are thinking about this, these all SQL languages are same or different. So many fellows are confusing. That's why I'm using one technique. What is that technique means? Maybe so many fellows are good at what academic career side, some object-oriented languages. Through that one, I will tell you. 1 minute only. 1 minute observe again. Suppose C++ is an object-oriented language is there. Just a fast observe here. C++ is an object-oriented language. Again, Java also object-oriented language. Okay, fine. These are the 2 popular object-oriented languages in .NET. So many languages are there, C++ like that. Okay, don't worry. C++ and Java, so much of familiar in an academic career programmer. Okay, fine. Now, just roughly observe it here. In a C++, same thing I'm using in a where in a okay, so SQL language side also, I will tell you similar concept. Observe it here. In a C++ and Java language side, always object-oriented features are there, OOPS concepts are there. Maybe anybody have an idea? Yes, very good. Any technical persons are there in our class. Those persons are well-known persons. What are the OOPS concept means? Just here, object is a concept is there. Don't write it. Just observe here. Object is a concept. Again, class, here inheritance, again here polymorphism, and now here again encapsulation. These type of concepts are there, don't worry. Again here Java also object oriented features are there. Observe here in a Java also object oriented features are there. In this case also, yes, same concepts are there. Conceptually, object is there. What is object? What is class? How we are creating objects from the class? Here, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism. These type of things are there or not? Yes, that's why always in these 2 languages side, OOPS concepts are same. You are observing or not? What is object? What is class? Theoretically same or not? But unfortunately, anybody try to create an object from the class means what is the syntax in a C++? Creating an object from the class. How they are creating an object from the class means what is the syntax in a C++? Any technical programmers are there? Observe it here. Not technical also observe it. Just okay. Here class name. Okay, what is class? What is object? I'm not telling. Just observe it. Something is there. This is related to how in a where say okay Oracle SQL Server MySQL means I will tell you. Observe it here. Class name space object name. This is the syntax. Okay, yeah. In a where creating an object from the class means just in a C++, that is a syntax. Now I try to creating an object from the where class in a Java means anybody guess it? In a technical programmers are there in our class, they are telling very good. Syntax is slight difference, not a same syntax. What is the syntax means? Class name here, class name space object name is equal to new class constructor. Very good. Now one fellow is telling correct. Now here that's why syntactically different or not different. In both the languages side, conceptually same. Conceptually means not all the concepts. Oops, concepts are same. What is object? What is a class? What is inheritance? What is polymorphism? What is encapsulation? What is data binding? Same thing only. But creating an object in a syntax side means in a C++ class name space object name is there. In a Java means different. Class name space object name is equal to new class constructor. That's why syntactically different. Okay, na? Yeah, syntactically different. Not only syntactically different, functions also different. You are observing or not functions. Suppose stream output I want to display in a where Python means how can I print is a command is there. In a C language means printf is there. Same like C++ means cout is a function is there. Okay, through that one we are displaying a stream output. Again, same output I want to display in a way Java side cout possible? No. System dot out dot println something is there or not? Same like a .NET console dot write line is there. That's why observe it here. This function is different. This function is different or not? That's why functions also different. This one different or not? Functions also different. Different. Why I am telling you what this one means? Reason is there. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Actually, SQL is a ANSI standard language. Observe it here. SQL language is a what? ANSI standard language. SQL is a ANSI standard language which works with all relational database really. But unfortunately, from this ANSI standard SQL, observe here, Oracle is there, SQL Server is there, observe here, SQL Server is there, again MySQL is there, for example. These are the databases are there. Observe here, slowly observe here. Here only now you are understandable. From this ANSI standard SQL language, Oracle creating a what? Their own SQL language that is called Oracle SQL. That's why here these programmers are, Oracle programmers are learning a what? Oracle SQL language. Again, from this ANSI standard SQL, Microsoft SQL Server creating a what? What is that one? SQL Server SQL. SQL Server SQL. Okay, yeah. Again, from this ANSI standard SQL, MySQL programmers are creating a what? What is that one means? MySQL SQL. MySQL SQL only. That's why from this ANSI standard SQL, Oracle programmers are creating a what? Oracle SQL. Oracle Corporation creating a what? Their own SQL language that is called Oracle SQL. Again, Microsoft creating a what? Their own SQL from this ANSI standard SQL that is SQL Server SQL. MySQL creating a what? From this ANSI standard SQL, MySQL SQL. That's why these all languages side conceptually same. Conceptually means, so now same like OOPS concepts are there here, table, procedure, function, trigger, package. What is what means? Okay, same, but syntactically different. Syntactically different. Syntactically different. Syntaxes are different. Syntactically different. And also functions also different. Functions means suppose if you want to operate a what? A null value, so sorry, any arithmetic operation performed on null values means again it will become a null. To overcome that problem, Oracle SQL side, NVL is a function we are using. NVL. Same function I try to use in a SQL server working. No, how it is working, that is different. That's why same okay problem side we are rectifying that problem by using a what? Is null is a function. Again, MySQL language side, if null is a function. Observe it here, if null is a function. Same like a C++ Java, I don't know. Same concepts only. That's why conceptually same. These all database SQL languages, but syntactically totally different. Syntactically different, and also which one? Functions also different. Because date function means state is there in a Oracle. Same function is there in a where SQL server? No. Again, date difference something function is there in SQL server. Same function is there in a Oracle? No. Add underscore months is there. That's why different functions only. That's why in our Oracle course, anybody Oracle course they are learning means in that course they are telling you what? Oracle SQL language. Oracle SQL language they are telling only. That's why SQL is an ANSI standard language which is used to operate all relational databases also from this ANSI standard SQL, Oracle creating a what? Their own SQL language that is called what? Oracle SQL. In our class, Oracle SQL, we are learning only. Very, very, very important. That's why understood. Yes, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. That is one of the popular product from database product only, relational data model product. For operating that one, these three languages we are using. Otherwise, at least these two languages also enough. Now observe here, SQL is a really universal language. That is ANSI standard language, which is used to operate all relational data model products. But unfortunately, from that ANSI standard language, Oracle creating their own SQL language that is called Oracle SQL. SQL server creating a what? Their own SQL language. Yes, that is SQL server SQL. MySQL creating a what? Their own SQL language that is MySQL SQL. Suppose in a net also you are observing a what? That one you are typing means you are understandable. Oracle versus MySQL versus okay, SQL server you are typing also automatically it will be showing only. Okay, yeah. 1 minute observe it here. Suppose yes, in that for of this stage we are learning the course. Now in that case, observe it here. Your functions are there. Observe it here. Suppose yeah, Oracle okay, SQL language side here, sysdate is a function is there. Yeah, to get to date in a SQL server also there. Okay, yeah, observe it here. Yes, here you add underscore months, last underscore day, next underscore day, months underscore between is there. Same functions are there in SQL server? No. Same functions are there in a where MySQL? No. Because functions are different. Conceptually, dates, format, some other thing is same, but okay, syntactically different and functions also different only. These all the things more clearly we are learning only just first time. No, this small concept just we are discussing only. Anybody having any doubts means please ask me. Any non-technical persons are there, please ask me anything I am get out. Because once you are starting means then easily understandable practically all the actually, Murli sir, will you share the notes also like the commands or code which you have been taught in the class? Yes, daily I will give the notes also. Don't worry. Because up to some stage, oh yeah, okay, up to some stage you are writing later not required. I think okay, so that one we are sending a what that document is enough. But I will tell you most of the time. Okay, yeah, theoretically notes and practically because up to some stage because non-technical persons also there. No? Yeah, those persons are. Anybody, any technical doubts are there, please ask me. But this knowledge is very helpful anywhere in a software engineer also. Which technology they are working also helpful, not only database. Because confidence level is very, very important once we are learning in a courses also. Just you are doing practically or not, you are writing a queries or not. Okay, I will tell you hints and checkings, all the things only. Actually, one fellow is asking only, Bish was asking only, Murli sir, okay, nowadays so many PLSQL job requirement side, some fellows are asking a shell script. Okay, yes, but nowadays shell script, most of the time, most of the companies asking, why? Because old and suppose I am a old and programmer, I am not working in a very shell script area. That's why I observe it here. But nowadays, latest programmers are compulsory working in all the areas only. That's why, suppose data transportation side, okay, so much of different situation side shell script they are using. That's why added advantage that one. That is not a mandatory because so many fellows are not knowing what in a shell scripts also they are getting a job. Okay, yeah, don't worry. Okay, PLSQL developer side. Or recorded sessions you want means you have to ask management only. Maybe they will send a what daily whatever recordings are there, that one into your mail ID, I think. Okay, yeah. There is no problem. Okay, yeah, anybody wants to send but better to attended daily classes means better. Yeah. But one of these days you are attending a what parallelly also PLSQL because syllabus is more only. Okay, that's why. Okay, once you are good at what half of the thing in a very SQL language side, maybe in another class side or PLSQL also parallel you are learning means fastly completed. That is better because so many batches are going on. Morning 8 o'clock PLSQL is going on. 9 is SQL, 10 is SQL. Now this one is a new batch only. Again 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, like that. Utilize the time. Okay, maybe if you have any time is there. Okay, employee means that is difficult. In a free time is there, you have to attend parallelly also better because time saving and more thing you are learning means more practicing is better. No, yeah. Anybody having any doubts? Please ask me. At least a basic level understood. Shall we start tomorrow onwards in a regular sessions? This is a roughly idea purpose I am telling. Okay, yeah. Shall I start tomorrow onwards regular sessions? Not a problem. Okay, na? At least understandable. Okay, tomorrow onwards we will start. Anybody interested means please attend. Okay, yeah. Regular sessions also same time. Okay, just this one today demo, no, just terminology idea purpose. Maybe some fellows are not knowing anything means just idea purpose. Okay, first onwards I will tell you one by one by one by one. So many things are there. How we are installing a what Oracle software also I will tell you because that is also process actually. Here we are taking a steps. In that class, yes, here which steps are there. These all the steps I'm taking a snapshots also in that class. One of the class I'm installing like this only. Okay. Okay, these are all the things I will tell you, don't worry. Diagrammatical links and all these. Easily understandable. Okay. Yeah. Once you are build up a what a confidence level means you are also writing the queries. This is the first class today. Okay, yeah. Actually, some 11 o'clock previous 4 days back, they are attending. They are stopping only. Again, they are attending in a Monday onwards. Don't worry. Okay. Your batch, your 11. Okay, yeah. Don't worry. Okay. This onwards. Okay. Na? Thank you so much for attending this small class only. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay. Na? Yeah. Duration of this course is more than 3.5 months. Okay. Na? Why? Because more syllabus. Because software means anybody 1 or 2 days only they are learning. They are applying a job means that is not good. Why? Because nowadays so many why layoffs means in a worldwide means good technical programmers are not there. That's the problem. Really very strong knowledge is there. How much cities you are asking means they are giving the hikes also. Pure technical means always good subject is there. Those persons are serving in the where any number of years also in industry. That is important. Okay. Application level one project you are doing means okay, then you are understandable. Okay, because your experienced person means you are a teamwork only. Then subject is there. Just based on the requirement in a where project you are utilizing that this knowledge. That's all. Because in a good project same work, no, nobody given the guarantee. Okay, na? Yeah. Thank you so much for attending this class. Tomorrow